Today I reached the subtle world to offer book to Baba. As I reached the subtle world very close to Baba, I saw Baba touring from somewhere and was coming towards the subtle world. I asked Baba, Baba, you're coming from where? Baba for a second looked at me and then said, Child, Baba doesn't take time to tour the whole world, but in a second, Baba can reach any place. Baba can go to the children, go to the devotees, or near the souls who are unhappy. The call of the heart of the children reaches Baba, and they are having many queries in their heart. In order to make the children's mind stable, children speak to Baba, and therefore Baba goes to the centers and other places Baba said, Child, now there is the time. Saying this, Baba emerged a scene. There was a small pocket in Baba's hand, and there were many things in that. It was in a writing form, and there were many other things, but it was not clear as what it was actually. Baba is having the things of some situations, and that pocket was kept in front of Baba. And the other pocket, it was seemed to be very beautiful. There were two packets kept in front of Baba, one of goodness and the other of questions. The worldly people, they used to take goodness from one packet, and the other they would take out weaknesses. And therefore Baba was saying, which packet is better, which packet is heavy? I said, Baba, that which is looking very good and beautiful, I feel that is heavy and good. Let there likewise people have heaviness in one of the packet that is all filled with weakness, but the good packet, there will be things which makes everyone healthy. So according to the time, Baba is giving good teachings to the children.
ये सब सभी देखते हैं। मैंने पापा को कहा
I told Baba that we are all seeing this. I asked Baba, why don't you open the secret of these packets? If there is a good one, then let there be goodness in the children. And then Baba said, Baba every time speaks about drama, but Baba will never open the secret of the drama, because Baba knows how the drama play is going on, but Baba will not open the secret beforehand. According to the time, Baba's children will have the packets of weakness and sometimes the packet of goodness. There will be the sanskars of any weaknesses or deficiencies, and they keep it with them, and therefore Baba said, according to the time, you children have to understand the secret of knowledge. And those children are very sensible at the confluence age. The drama plan has to continue, and until the end it will take place. And according to the time, the secret of the drama will continue to open. I had already kept a book plate in front of Baba, and I also gave love and remembrance of many. Baba said, according to the time, Baba is also seeing. There are my children who are coming to the subtle world, who are going to become the advanced party. Baba said about the scene of the golden aged world. Baba said everyone are making preparations prior about the golden age. And some children, Baba is sending them to that service place, and therefore Baba is invoking those children to the subtle world. I gave love and remembrance of many to Baba. Baba fed them bhog. Baba gave many love and remembrance to everyone. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.